How to sign kiss versus more in American Sign Language. More, more. The flat O hand shape. More. Want more? Do you want more? More, please. More, please. One more. One more. If you want one more, you can sign one more. One more. Or one-handed, one more. One more. Or sometimes simply one more. One more. One more. Kiss. Kiss. Same hand shape. Kiss. The difference, more, kiss. Notice the lips pucker a little for not more, but for kiss. Plus, more is more in neutral space. Kiss tends to be a little bit higher up. And the lips. The sign kiss you can move to show kissing how or where. For example, smooching is different from a peck. Also, maybe the cheek, a kiss on the cheek. Or the top of the head or the nose. Kiss. Again, more, more, one more, one more, kiss, kiss. Kiss the cheek. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day soon. Now you know the difference between more and kiss. And of course, same as so far I've always told you, use context. The sentence or story, use context to know the difference. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.